business landscape can seem crowded and competitive. How do you know if your products and services are profitably priced to differentiate you from your competitors? Let's talk product pricing strategies. I'm Hector Garcia, certified public accountant, and I've partnered with QuickBooks to share some tips on how to scale your growing business. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos just like this. If you want to learn more about choosing the right pricing strategy for your business, visit the link below for a more detailed breakdown. Having an effective and competitive pricing strategy is of the utmost importance for a growing business, but it's harder and harder to manage these days. With variables such as inflationary costs, supply chain constraints, seasonality of demand, and competitive pricing pressures to consider, it can become difficult to keep up. There are several different pricing strategies your growing business should consider as part of your overall business model. Three of the most common strategies are cost-plus pricing with a fixed markup, high volume or economy pricing, and differentiated premium pricing. When it comes to cost-plus pricing with a fixed markup, it's crucial to have a real-time accounting system that keeps tight controls over the real cost of products being sold. Simple things such as implementing landed cost and first in, first out, also known as FIFO, need to be set to determine the actual cost. Check out this other video where I talk about the true cost of inventory. It's best to have a consistent margin or markup percentage strategy across all products, or even segment it by product category to update the product pricing based on a predetermined markup percent. High volume or economy pricing might be used to undercut competitors' individual item pricing by focusing on customers that can purchase items in large quantities. Generally, there will also be a cost-plus approach to make sure that the product still has some positive margins, even if it's close to break even. In order to implement the high volume or economy pricing strategy, your company needs to have an updated break-even analysis as frequently as every month. To calculate this, take the average contribution margin, which is the sales price minus the direct product cost, and divide that by the overhead or business expenses. This figure is the minimum order of units that needs to be sold in order for your business to break even. Then suppose you reverse engineer those volume numbers onto your sales projections and have conversations with your customers about expected frequency and volume of purchases. In this case, you can make sure your business stays viable. Aligned with this competitive pricing strategy, many businesses will look for additional ways to encourage their customers to purchase in even higher volumes by offering volume discounts. Some businesses also offer volume rebates, where the customer gets a monthly, quarterly, or even annual fixed rebate if they purchase a predetermined volume amount. Others offer payment discounts if the customers prepay their invoices before their due date. This is known as the 2 net 10 terms, which refers to giving the customers a 2% discount on invoices paid within 10 days. And finally, differentiated premium pricing occurs when the products are not sold at a discount or even at a competitive price. These products are usually positioned in a premium category. With premium products, the businesses are laser focused on adding value around the purchase of the product with perks such as added services, free delivery, fast response time, extended warranty, and other value adds. With QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, you can use the Advanced Pricing Rules module to create a unique price list based on the customer, product, or time of the year. You can also set individual volume discounts on items. In Enterprise, you can also set up a fixed margin or markup percentage to automatically adjust the price and protect your target profit margins. This way, you ensure business growth based on your strategic pricing intent. For more information on choosing the right competitive pricing strategy for your business, check out the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this content useful, remember to share it with your network, hit the like button, and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel. Thanks for watching.